What's going on, y'all? Quick tip for today that I thought was really cool because this is what I'm working on. I'm doing some electrical stuff, and my favorite pair of needle nose pliers has metal ends on it. So instead of going out there and potentially getting shocked, I was like, well, I've got a bag full of I forget what you call it, like shrimp, not shrimp, shrimp. That sounds good. Shrink wrapper thingies for wire, right? And so I just put that on there, and then we'll cut it. You guys can't see what I'm doing right now, but that's all right. It's totally fine. We just cut it so it's covering up the metal portion, right? Leave a little hanging off the end there. Fire up the old heat gun. These things are amazing. Walla walla bing bang. Squish that in down a little bit as it cools. Ooh, that's hot. Careful, guys. Anyway, that's it. If you can't make some sawdust, try not to make any sparks.